Hello everybody, this is Flight Instruments by Chase Phillips, Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, AMNT 271 Airframe Systems and Applications. This is your standard six-pack you would see in an aircraft. From 1 through 6, you have Airspeed Indicator, Attitude Indicator, your altimeter, your turn coordinator, your heading indicator, and your vertical speed indicator. This is your pedostatic system, and it consists of 3 instruments. You got your airspeed indicator, your vertical speed indicator, and your altimeter. All 3 are connected to the static port, but only the airspeed indicator is connected to the pedal tube. Your static tube allows for atmospheric pressure to equalize with changes in altitude. This is your airspeed indicator. Airspeed indicator is indicated by the ramp air being forced through the pedal tube and into the diaphragm. The diaphragm expands, turning some levers and some sectors, and also the handshaft pinion, which would point to whatever airspeed the aircraft would be at. This is your vertical speed indicator. It consists of your diaphragm, your calibrated leak, and a case. It uses the diaphragm as static pressure to simulate the vertical speed of the aircraft. As the aircraft descends, pressure increases, and as it ascends, pressure decreases, and then it will zero out with straight and level flight. This is your altimeter. Your altimeter within the wafer has 29.9 inches of mercury. As the wafers are compressed, it means higher pressure, which would be a decrease in altitude. As your wafers expand, it shows you have lower pressure, and an increase in altitude is achieved by the aircraft. This is your gyro instruments. It consists of your heading indicator, your attitude indicator, and your bank indicator. Your gyro instruments are pretty much a spinning wheel on a gimbal within inside of the instruments themselves. This is your glass cockpits. There's many pros and cons to them. Some of the pros are you got no parallax, which is a different angle on the instruments themselves. Precision, it's digital, not analog, which would help with the parallax as well. It has graphic, weather, and terrain as well. Some of the cons is it has less battery life as the screens are on all the time, and since it is a new system from the gauges, you need training to use them. Some of the other pros you have on the glass cockpit is they're less clutter, as it uses the air data computer instead of gauges. Less fatigue from the eye movement, as you're not looking around at different gauges, it's all on one screen. And newer aircraft are equipped with these glass cockpits, such as the G1000 screen themselves. That's all I have for my flight instruments. Hopefully you guys learned quite a bit. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good day.